Namaskar friends, welcome back to my channel Living Economics.
Today I'm going to explain the circular flow model to you. The graph you can see on screen is taken from the book Principles of Economics by Gregory Mankiw, chapter 2, figure number 2.1. Circular flow model helps us in understanding from where income goes, how the economic agents, be it households or firms, generate income, and how it is being transferred from one sector to the other sector. Here you can see that this is a two-sector model where one sector is households and the other sector is firms, and two markets model where one market is markets for goods and services and the other is markets for factors of production. Now, households are those economic agents where individuals buy and consume goods and services. They also own and sell factors of production. To whom they sell factors of production? They sell factors of production to firms. What are those factors of production? Those factors of productions are land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. Households have land, they have labor, they have capital, and they have entrepreneurship to be sold to the firms. What happens in the other sector, which is called as firms? Firms use all those factors of production, produce and sell goods and services. They hire these factors of production from the household. Now you can see that this model also has two arrows. One arrow is the anti-clockwise, which is a green arrow. The other arrow is a clockwise arrow, which is an orange arrow. Orange arrow shows flow of goods and services and green arrow shows flow of dollars. So one is a real flow. The orange arrow is showing a real flow and the green arrow is showing a money flow. What is the difference between a real flow and a money flow? A real flow is the real transfer of goods and services, the real transfer of labor from one hand to the other hand, land and capital. Money flow, you get money in exchange of labor, land, capital. Household sell factors of production in form of land, labor and capital in the markets for factors of production, right? Which is called the inputs for production being used by the firms. Now, after processing these inputs, these firms convert these inputs into output, which are also called as goods and services. So you can see the orange arrow goes there in the markets for goods and services, and firms sell all these goods and services which households buy. These goods and services are being used by the household. Now, this is not a free transfer of goods and services or free transfer of factors of production. In exchange to land, labor and capital, in the factors of production market, household gets income in the form of, for labor it will be wages, for land it will be rent, for capital it will be returns or interest, and for entrepreneurship it will be profits. So income is generated through selling off their land, labor and capital. Once these inputs are processed and sold in the goods and services market, household will buy these products, these goods and services, and the same money which they have earned through selling off their labor, land and capital, they will be spending these money on this goods and services, on the purchase of these goods and services. Now, this money is nothing but the revenue generated by the firms, and this revenue again will be used to buy land, labor and capital in form of wages, rent and profit. So you see that whatever income is being earned by a household through firms is being spent in the goods and services market. Whatever firms have bought from the factors of production market, which is the cost to them, is being earned by these firms through revenue from goods and services market. So you can see that it is a circular flow of income from household to firms, from firms to household. This is a two-sector model. There can be a three-sector model where we add government as well. There can be a four-sector model where we add banking institutions as well. There will be a five-sector model where we add export and import or foreign sector as well. There are leakages and injections in this model, which we will explain in next part. Thank you very much.